Pull to activate. Ba-ba! Not in the habit of activating unsolicited electronics from the mail. At least not if I haven't had a chance to break it down first. So before I actually ever even tried to turn it on, I was compelled to open it up and see what we actually got. Because I don't know if this is some sort of Soviet tracking thingy. Who knows? So this is the number of the secret code that they gave me. And inside, what do we have here? 2 button cell lithium metal batteries and an LED. And on the inside there was this metal bracket, which I assume the film kept from completing the circuit until I pulled to activate it. So why'd they send me all this? It's for our annual Ford pickup giveaway, and you scratch the number, and of course it matches. Really, this is all just an elaborate scam to get you to come to their timeshare. Yeah, fuck all that. It's a fairly simple circuit, but it's a fairly complicated mechanism to get a couple to come to your timeshare meeting. But hey, thanks for the batteries and the free LED. I'll figure out something to do with those.